Hey everyone, Charlie here with Daily Motor. We're here for a just drive of the 2020 Kia Soul GT line. This is the top level Kia Soul with the 1.6 liter turbocharged 201 horsepower engine. It's got the 7-speed dual clutch automatic transmission. Got it here in almost the Stormtrooper looking white color with some sporty red accents. Now, it's an interesting little car. It's got some spunk, some get up and go, but it doesn't really have the driving feel of a sporty car. It kind of has the seating position and driving feel of a short and small SUV. So it kind of fits into a weird niche there. We're just going to do a quick look around the vehicle here and then do some driving and let you guys see what it sounds like, what it feels like, and go from there. You got some cheap materials here, kind of covering up the spare tire, but it is nice to see a spare down there. Some tools. Back seat. Oh, let's unlock it here. Back seat's pretty standard fare. Good amount of room though. Not exactly what I would call SUV levels of room, but it works. Got kind of a mixture of probably fake leather and some cloth here. I kind of actually prefer the feel of the cloth. Kind of a nice black with tan top color interior, almost a grayish tan. But materials feel pretty decent, especially given the price. I like the color scheme inside. It's a pretty easy seating position. You don't have to sit down quite as low as you would have to in a lot of cars with this size. We've got some nice red accents here, as I was saying. Everything feels pretty decent. Not too many hard plastics. Got some wireless charging, which I like. Let's start it up here. Now, I was a pretty decent fan of the previous generation Kia Soul. This one looks a little weird for my taste, and I'm kind of getting over the interior. It's like kind of quirky, but not really quirky. It's fine. I know some people like a little more. These kind of little elements like this speakers that are kind of placed in the front here. I don't know. Some days I like it, some days I don't. Alright, let's go for a drive here. I'm going to just shut up for a little bit and let you guys hear the sounds of the 2020 Kia Soul GT. All right, everyone. Thanks for following along on this just drive of the 2020 Kia Soul. Let's go out and take another quick look at it. I'll let you hear the door sound. Overall, Soul manages to keep its kind of quirky personality while still being a functional and overall usable and affordable kind of subcompact SUV, larger compact car option. As always, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more daily motor content, and we'll see you in the next video. Drive on.